name's Jennifer Lyle. I'm with Live Healthy, and I am an independent sales associate for the Richway product line, and I've been a representative since 2008. And today I'd love to talk to you about the Germanium Power Pad 187. This is a fairly new product for Richway, and I just got mine. It arrived in this bubble pack. And it comes in this really handy storage pack in case you are going to be tucking it away. And what's unique about this product, I have it already on this mini biomat. So the mini biomat's inside, right here. There's the biomat. Inside. And this Germanium Power Pad just slips on like a sock, and it fully encapsulates the entire biomat. You pull it on, making sure to have the zippered side to the top, and then zip it closed. What I love about this product is that it fully encapsulates the biomat, so it gets protected all the way around, front and back. Now you need to make sure that you have the plug side to the top where the zipper is, so that you can zip it right up, and then the only thing that would be exposed is the cord. So let's talk a little bit about this power pad. This is just a sticker, so we can remove that. The power pad is unique in that it has germanium in it. And what's interesting about germanium is it actually gives off far infrared rays as well. And when it gets heated, it generates even more. It's waterproof, anti-odor, and antibacterial. Those are the qualities of this product. And it has the special Hideo design, which is similar to what's on the cotton pad that comes with the biomat. And it will help to protect your investment. It comes as a mini biomat size, as well as for the professional, single, queen, and king. It is really lightweight. It feels, the surface of material feels kind of like a cottonish material, so it's nice to have next to your skin. When you use it, you can have the cotton cover either within the biomat to add the comfort, so right next to the biomat and underneath the Germanium Power Pad, so that you have the extra comfort and the extra protection of the cotton pad, or you can have the cotton pad on the outside of the Germanium Power Pad. It just depends on your personal preference. Other things to know are that there are some wonderful benefits about germanium. It promotes endorphin production, and it also, the ion particulates of inorganic germanium promote oxygen supply to the cells and compensate for oxygen deficiency. So Richway is very mindful whenever they create their products, and they want it to be using highest quality materials, and they want it to be purposeful. So this actually works synergistically with the biomat. There are like other waterproof covers that you might put on there. There are like incontinence pads that some people might get to have on their bed, but this has been designed to work synergistically with the biomat, whereas something like a synthetic material like those incontinence pads, that would actually end up blocking some of the benefits of the biomat. So if you have any questions about the Germanium Power Pad, the waterproof cover, that's this, or the biomat, any of other Richway products, maybe even the Alkalife water filtration system, which is amazing, please feel free to reach out. You can contact me through my website or the number on the screen, which is great. You can reach me in anywhere in North America. And I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer your questions and help you understand how amazing this product line is. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.